Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about the goto, which is a control statement, but it is not a conditional control statement, meaning if, else and switch case. These two are conditional control statements provided by C. That means control will be shifted to some other point of the program based on certain conditions, true or falseness. But the goto just take the control to a place which is pointed by a label. So the syntax of goto is like this. Goto, I can put x like this. X can be somewhere here, and it might be after that whatever the line follows will be executed. Say for example, I have print of ABCD and next coming lines print of say 1, 2, 3. These two lines are present over here, and I'll just copy it over this. Here also I'm putting it over XYZ. I just put it. Okay. So now this is a keyword and this is a label name, and the label will be somewhere in the program followed by a colon. Okay. Now if the program runs, it encounters goto. There is no condition, there is no truth or false for a condition based on which jump will happen. Jump happens to C. It looks for X. X is present. From this point onwards, it will start to run the whole code as if this whole place does not exist. That's how it goes. Okay, and it's a very tricky one. So the next coming languages of C drop this goto. Okay, but there is a thing we have to understand in this. If I compile this, see here, it will, so ABCD 1, 2, 3, which is getting printed, which is coming after this label. But that might be a problem if we are declaring or if you're putting a label in some other function. So the thing is, there is a constraint for goto. Goto can walk only inside the function. Say for example, I have one more function saying name is of fun, returning 0. I'm just gonna copy the whole thing here, that part of X label. I'm putting this label here. Okay, so if we put this way, you see what I am doing here. We are calling go to X, but X is present in a different function. So in this case, it will not compile properly. It will compile this and it throws an error. You see here, label X used but not defined. So you are calling, or you can say you are trying to go to a place where X is there, but X is not defined in this function main. X is defined in some other function. Okay, so goto can work only within a function. That's the understanding. Goto works within a function. Okay, you cannot switch over to, you cannot put a label to some other function, and you cannot make the control jump to that function. That you have to do through only function calls. So this can be a tricky questions you can find in C. I hope you like this. Thank you.